How to switch business account in Zoomerang. So in today's video, I'll be teaching how to switch your Zoomerang into a business account. So this is perfect for those who are starting to try Zoomerang to earn money in here at Zoomerang, to have like an income, like a passive income, not totally passive, like a little bit of a passive income here at Zoomerang. So here I'm going to teach you how to make it like into a business type account here at your Zoomerang. All we need to do is open up your Zoomerang. Once you open up your Zoomerang, click on your profile in the bottom right corner right there. After pressing your profile right there, you'll be located here at your profile. Once you're here located at profile, you will see on the top right corner there's a three dots on the top right corner. Press on the three dots on the top right corner once you are ready. So now we're gonna press on that right there. After pressing on that right there, you will see the settings icon on the bottom. Press on settings right there. After pressing on settings right here, you'll be located at your settings. So once you're located at the settings, all you need to do is go down to see account type right there. So now press on account type. After pressing on account type, you'll see account type. We have the individual and business. All you need to do is press on the business, so it can be a business. There you go. As you see right now, switch to business. Business account are best for retailers, local business brands, organization, and service providers that grid of templates will charge based on the business category. Then click on switch to business. Business name. Now you're gonna put in a business name, or you can just skip it. Skip right there if you want. But right now we're gonna put in a business name. So now we're gonna put in business name. We're gonna put in e-commerce. There you go. As you can see right now, we are now at our business account here at our Zoomerang. So there you go, guys. Hope you guys enjoyed. If you have any questions or concerns, you can type in the comment section below, guys. Happy to answer as soon as possible in here. How to rock it, guys. So there you go, guys, and thank you, guys.